What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from HireItDone.com. Homeowners ask me, hey Adam, how can I get a fresh new look around my house without breaking the budget? And that's always a great question. One of the most affordable and efficient ways to do this is with a fresh coat of paint. Today, I'm at PPG Paints. Today, homeowners have many choices on where to buy paint. You got your local hardware store, you got your choice of big box stores, or you can go where the pros go, PPG Paints. PPG has been around over 100 years serving the professionals and homeowners. They're the benchmark when it comes to paint. So the first thing a homeowner needs to do when starting a paint project is actually pick the paint color. Well, guess what? There's over 2,000 colors to choose from. And at your local PPG paint store, they have technology that will help you, the homeowner, pick the right color. The technology that PPG uses is called the Voice of Color, and it's available in some of their stores. However, you can go to voiceofcolor.com and do the same thing on your computer. And one of the things that it does is it asks you certain questions that get you to the paint color of your choice. And once you've got your paint color, they have this grouping of colors that complement and accent the color of your choice, and that'll give you the perfect paint project. So the one thing I always tell homeowners, the best paint job is the one that's prepped properly. And at PPG Paints, not only do they help you pick the right paint color, but they also help you with the right products, accessories, and tools to make the best job. At every PPG location, their staff are trained to guide you through the process with advice tailored for your project. From the selection of the color, how to prep, right down to the best brushes and tools, the PPG experts have you covered from start to finish. So PPG is not only your place for paints, they're also your #1 source for all types of coatings, whether it's interior or exterior stains, and the popular Sickens brand. So now that you've decided to tackle a great paint job, I suggest you visit one of the 16 local PPG paint stores here in Metro Detroit, where they're going to give you the best technology to find the right paint color, they're going to give you the best advice, and they're going to have everything you need from paint to prep to caulk. For more information like this, visit HireItDone.com.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.